Good morning dear viewers, welcome to our today's session of online maths classes for standard 7th. In the last lesson, we have seen exercise 1.4. From that, we saw example number 1, example number 2, example number 3 and example number 4. Today, we will see example number 5, 6 and 7. So let us begin. So our first example is example number 5. Let us read out the example. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? Also, what would be the temperature at midnight? So here we have been given with the temperature which was 10 degrees Celsius above zero at 12 noon. 12 noon means in the afternoon. Okay, so if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, so as the time passed, the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, 12 o'clock. Okay, so at what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? So this is the first part of our question. This we have to solve. Next is what would be the temperature at midnight? This is the second part of the question. So solution, let us draw a number line and let us name the points, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So here at 12 o'clock the temperature was 10. So as the time passed, means as the time passed, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. So per hour the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. So it was 10 at 12 noon. Then at 1 o'clock it was 8. At 2 o'clock it was 6. At 3 o'clock it was 4. At 4 o'clock it was 2. At 5 o'clock it was 0. At 6 in the evening it was minus 2. At 7 in the evening it was minus 4. At 8 in the evening it was minus. At 9 in the evening it was minus 8. So thus the temperature decreased, that is the temperature decreases 2 degrees Celsius, okay, in 1 hour. That is equal to in 1 hour the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in 1 hour the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. So 1 degree Celsius, that is equal to 1.5 hours. So in 1 hour the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. In half hour the temperature will decrease by 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius in 1 hour. So same it will decrease by 1 degree Celsius in half hour. So therefore the temperature decreases, that is equal to 18 degrees Celsius. The temperature decreased by 18 degree Celsius. So therefore 1/2 multiplied by 18, that is 2 ones are and 2 nines are, that is equal to 9 hours total. So total time, if we count from 12 o'clock afternoon plus 9, so 12 plus 9 is 21 hours, and 21 hours in 24-hour clock is what? 9 o'clock in the evening, that is 9 p.m. in the evening. Okay, thus at 9 p.m. the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. Okay, so here the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius per hour. So in 1 hour the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius, and in half hour the temperature will decrease by 1 degree Celsius, and total temperature decrease was by 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that is 1/2 into 18, that is equal to 9 hours, and if we add 9 hours to 12 o'clock or 12 noon, then it will give us 21 hours. So that is equal to what? 9 p.m. in 24-hour clock method. So thus at 9 p.m. the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. Okay, this was the first part of the question. Next part is what would be the temperature at midnight? So at night, what would be the temperature? Temperature at 12 noon in the afternoon was 10 degrees Celsius. So now change in temperature. So from 12 noon to 12 midnight. 12 noon to 12 midnight. So therefore 12 multiplied by minus 2. So the temperature decreased by minus 2. So we will multiply it by 12. Okay. So from 12 noon we are going to 12 midnight. So therefore we have taken 12 again. And the decrease in temperature is what? Minus 2. So this is the decrease in temperature. This is the time. Okay. So if we multiply both these factors, we will get 24. That is minus 24. So after 12 hours, the initial temperature was 10 degree Celsius. This was at 12 noon, and the decrease in temperature, this was at 12 midnight. So if we subtract 24 from 10, that is 10 degree Celsius minus 24 degree Celsius, we get minus 14 degree Celsius. Thus the temperature at midnight will be minus 14 degree Celsius. So this is our final solution.